a guided meditation, a journey to your heart, adapted from Liz Simpson's book of Chakra Healing. Sit in a comfortable position. Feel your body against the chair. Allow your body to soften and just let yourself be. And now allow your awareness to move to your breath, aware of your in-breath, aware of your out-breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Become aware of any tension in your body and just breathe into that area for a moment. Breathing in and breathing out. Allow your mind and body to relax. If thoughts come into your mind, let them pass and come back to your breath. Your in-breath, your out-breath. Now imagine yourself in a beautiful meadow, surrounded by wildflowers. You can hear birds a little way off, and you know that you are completely safe. You can feel the warmth of the sun on your face and body. You are beginning a journey to your heart. Are you nervous? Excited? Acknowledge the feelings that arise, but don't dwell on them. Know that you are safe, protected, and loved. See yourself on a red pathway. Feel the firm earth beneath your feet. You feel supported as you walk on this path. Now the pathway changes to brown gravel. Feel its warmth penetrate your feet, warming your entire being. The sun is shining, and you are bathed in this golden sunlight. The pathway has now become green, a grassy path. It is leading you up a hill to a large house. It looks like a castle. You feel the warmth of the sun on your face as you walk towards this castle and up to the front door. You open a large, heavy door, and it swings open into a vast hall. You step inside the door. You look over and see a large ledge, and on this ledge lies your heart. How does it look? Is it frozen in a block of ice? Or encased in chains? Or is it hemorrhaging energy from being too open to others? Consider your heart state. Don't judge what you see. You are here to heal it. Have the appropriate remedy available to you. Take a pick and chip away at the ice, breathing warm air to melt it faster. Unlock the chains with a key from your pocket. Choose whatever remedy you need to heal your heart. Watch as your heart slowly expands and softens. Place your hands lovingly on any scars and send love to your heart to dissolve them. Allow your own natural healing energy to give your heart what it needs. Notice how your heart responds positively to this attention. Be aware of a connection between what is in your mind's eye and what is going on in your body. Enjoy these moments. Send your heart love, knowing that the more it receives, the more love you will have to give to others. Spend the next few minutes feeling warmth and love in your heart and in your body. And now thank yourself for taking this time. Know that you can revisit this place at any time. And when you're ready, let your breathing deepen. Let the awareness of your body against the chair return. Bring yourself back slowly and comfortably. And when you're ready, you can gently open your eyes.